The UH did find a replacement for Fordham, which also canceled last week. Our Cody Krupp will tell you which school is coming instead later on in sports. Reporting live from the newsroom, Rick Kwan, KITV 4 Island News.
Thanks, Rick. The Department of Health reports 3 new deaths recorded in the state, the highest single-day total since the start of the coronavirus crisis. The death toll is now at 22. The health department identified one victim as an elderly man from Oahu with underlying medical conditions who died last Tuesday. One is a woman on Oahu who died at a hospital, had been coming from a care home Sunday morning, and the latest fatality, an elderly Kauai man who received treatment in Arizona for the past several months. He also had several underlying medical conditions.
And we're taking a look now at the timeline throughout the pandemic. We'll start out. The state first reported its first death on March 31st. This was an elderly Oahu man who was hospitalized with multiple medical issues. Now, in the following days, we're taking a look. The health department reported 3 fatalities, unfortunately, that brought the death toll to 4. Now, all Oahu residents, one of them was an elderly man who had traveled to Washington State. On April 10th, we'll move forward with this timeline. We are looking at the state reporting 2 deaths in a single day, residents on Oahu and Maui, and this did bring the death toll to 8. Now, on April 19th, a visitor from Washington State did die, and he was in the 40 to 59 age range, the youngest of the fatalities reported. He also had no previous medical conditions and had been hospitalized at Maui Memorial Medical Center, which reported a cluster of cases at that time. As we move forward, you can see there was a 6-week gap between May 3rd and June 26th, where no deaths were reported in the state. Now, since then, we've seen an increase. The death toll as of today is 22.
The Department of Health reports there are now 3 deaths linked to private care homes, and since June 1st, there's now 20 cases connected to 6 different home care operations. KITV4's Annalisa Burgos talked to people